Hello everyone, I'm Zheng Weiwu. Today I'm gonna talk about the usability of two sneaker websites, StockX and GOAT. The left one is StockX. Obviously, compared with GOAT, StockX has fashionable interface with colorful background, while GOAT is simple and clear. Next, let's see what kind of functions they have on their websites. For StockX, I can find function menu on the top and search box below. I can search whatever I want by brand, color, or product number. And here's the advertisement section. The rest part of the website depends on users' different demands, like popular brands, most popular shoes, lowest price for buyers, highest price for sellers. Then I can find the news and release calendar section, which is important part for users to get sneakers information. For GOAT, same as StockX, function menu is on the top, but I need to click more for details. I can search shoes by click search button, then type keywords here. It's easy to find that GOAT does not have advertisements, they just have classifications like newest shoes. Under retired shoes, featured searches. The coolest thing for GOAT is the GOAT Clean service. I can buy used and clean shoes with a better price here. For GOAT, it has simple pages. Website with white background takes everything in a glass. Does not have a lot of buttons, and it seems like the whole website is only care about shoes. Quite different with StockX, I pretty like the function of selling used and clean shoes, but it does not have online customer service system on the website. This is the only disadvantage compared with StockX. To be concluded, if you like fashionable feelings or better customer service, StockX must be a good choice for you to shop shoes. But if you are minimalist, or you want to sell and buy pre-owned and effective shoes with a better price, GOAT will be your first choice for shopping. That's all. Thank you for your listening.